Yes, sir. Damn. Just right now. Along this road. Yo, you have to be careful when leaving a car meet, because with the whole ginger in you. Yo, can you see that? Hello guys, so today we are out here watching different cars drift, and I was thinking maybe we would have like much people over here, but as you can see, it's just myself, my brother, and some few people at the background with So before we go here, we did some burnout slash 360. Burnout slash 360. I'll be showing you guys in 3, 2, 1. Bow. And so windy today. Like I think summer is over and winter is approaching. Normally by this time, what's time now? It's like 7:30 something. Normally 7:43. Really. Normally by this time, everywhere is bright. I think I should start putting on my sweaters because everybody past me here is just putting on sweaters. So from now on, sweaters only. Sweaters. Sweaters. Like this nice sellotape palm, they don't care. Sheesh. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see what he has under. Briefing, I need your lights. I need to see under this. Let me see the engine of this car. Hello, bro. Okay. Yo, the owner of this car actually pulled up with the van. That's crazy. Man, let's have a look at the car. Man, smoked up.